NASA had put an end to concerns about a lost 54 million ton asteroid hitting Earth in 2024. In response to a November report by a news outlet stating that 2007 FT3, the asteroid, had a slight possibility of striking Earth in 2024. In 2007, scientists first spotted the 984-foot-long asteroid. However, eventually, they lost track of it and categorized it as a lost asteroid. Before scientists lost track of the 2007 FT3, they were able to gather information about the asteroid. They observed 14 points in its arc over the 2 days it remained in NASA's view. The researchers have also calculated its orbit and looked into its possible collisions with Earth. The asteroid has made it to NASA's Century Risk Table of objects that could impact our planet. NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies has also identified 89 potential impacts that 2007 FT3 can have on Earth, one of which is on October 5, 2024. However, the space agency clarified that it was nothing to worry about, as one potential point of impact when the asteroid was closest to the Earth had already passed in 2019. Astronomers can predict the orbits of these space bodies up to about 100 years in the future.